Welcome to our instruction video on how to solve for the variable x in the equation x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of isolating x and finding its value. So let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3, we need to isolate x to determine its value. The first step is to eliminate the minus 1 term that is on the left side of the equation to simplify the equation and focus on the x term. Currently, the equation reads x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3. Let's add 1 to both sides of the equation. This is because the inverse operation of subtraction is addition, and by adding 1, we can cancel out the minus 1 on the left side. So we add 1 to both sides. This changes the equation from x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3 to x divided by 2 minus 1 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. On the left side, the minus 1 and the plus 1 cancel each other out because they are opposites, which simplifies the left side to just x divided by 2. This alters our equation to x divided by 2 equals 4, because 3 plus 1 equals 4 on the right side. In summary, by adding 1 to both sides, we simplified the original equation x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3 to the simplified form x divided by 2 equals 4. This step was necessary to isolate the variable term x divided by 2 and make it easier to solve for x in the subsequent steps. Next, we need to further isolate the variable x in the equation. Currently, the equation reads x divided by 2 equals 4. To isolate x, we need to get rid of the divided by 2 term on the left side. This can be done by performing the inverse operation. The inverse of division is multiplication, so we will multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to cancel out the divided by 2 term. When we multiply both sides by 2, the equation changes from x divided by 2 equals 4 to 2 times x divided by 2 equals 4 times 2. On the left side, the 2 times x divided by 2 simplifies to just x, because multiplying by 2 and then dividing by 2 are inverse operations and cancel each other out. This leaves us with x equals 8 on the left side because 4 times 2 equals 8 on the right side. By multiplying both sides by 2, we have successfully isolated x and determined its value. So x equals 8 is the solution to the equation x divided by 2 minus 1 equals 3. This is the final step, and there are no further steps needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.